make our tassel. We're gonna make a tassel with a piece of paper that is 1 3/4 inches long and 3.5 inches wide. And I'm going to hold this here, and then I'm going to hold another one, and I'm going to stick them down with washi tape. And then I'm going to take my embroidery thread. I'm going to start at the bottom, and I'm going to do this maybe 25 times. So it's 1, 2, 24, 25. I'm going to cut it off here to take off my top only, and I'm going to pull this part up here like this, and I'm going to tie a couple knots up here like so. So 1, 2, 3 knots, and I'm going to leave that up here like this. I'm going to take the washi tape off of the base. I'm going to bring this one up about here, and I'm going to put one piece up. I'm going to pull this off, right, making sure I have my one piece up and one piece down, and I'm going to start wrapping this around from the bottom, going up in a tight way to make the top of our tassel. So 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. Perfect. Remember, we have this part on top here. I'm going to hold this down, and I'm going to tie it along with this string that came from the side, and this is going to tie really tight right on the inside there. And I'm going to tie it twice to make sure it's secured. I like my tassel looking really neat, so I always grab an embroidery needle and stick it down on the inside like so, right where I made the knot, so I could pull the knot on the inside of my tassel. That's perfect. Then I'm going to thread them through. Right, and then I'm going to pull them down, and now you have a really neat, perfect tassel. I'm going to put my scissors in here, pull and cut, and then I'm going to make my tassel look really neat by just trimming off all the excess and straggling pieces, all the excess pieces, just to cut off, to trim off like this. Perfect tassel.